Hi, my name is Faisal, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can install Comet browser on your PC. I was using Comet browser in the last video. If you have seen, it's a great AI browser made by Perplexity. Just wait. I'm gonna tell you how you can install Comet browser. You need to search Comet browser, and you can see the first link, and you can download the Comet browser. It will start downloading. After that, you need to click on comment, and you can start installing, and it will start downloading. It's a great AI browser. It has a lot of features, and in the next video I'm gonna tell you how you can use all these features. Like, you can use the assistant to shop on Amazon, or you can use the assistant to delete your emails, or you can send emails like that. I'm gonna tell you some about some features in the next video. Just wait, it's just downloading. I already have the browser, it may update it. It's just installing. If you already have a browser, it just if you install a Windows app, I guess it just updates it. I guess I don't fully know. Majority of the time it just updates it. Maybe in some cases it may result in a bug, and the Comet browser is installed. Thank you. Just see you in the next video.